The man who loves walking will walk further than the man who loves the destination. These deep words from the philosopher Daoud are a metaphor. They emphasize the importance of the journey rather than just focusing on the ultimate destination. Have you ever found yourself chasing the next big achievement, always looking for the next big success, but never truly feeling satisfied? In this video, I want to share my own journey and the courage to change the course. The path to happiness is a journey, not a destination. For 8 incredible years, I built a thriving company generating over 1 million in revenue while having a full-time corporate job. By all outward measures, it was a remarkable success. But sometimes, even when we are generating cash, we can feel the nagging sense that something is missing. I experienced this firsthand. The passion had faded and the constant hustle had taken a toll on my health and relationship. I realized that at some point of my life, the simple things like quality time with my family and my own personal well-being had become neglected in the pursuit of wealth and achievement. And so, despite the financial success, I made the hard decision to close my company. It wasn't an easy choice, but it was a necessary one to me. Because sometimes the path to true fulfillment lies in simplifying our lives and prioritizing what really matters. In my other video about getting your things done, I remind that enjoying the process and making it fun creates more fulfillment than just focusing on reaching your goals. And the link to this video is in the description. My journey is a reminder that the best things in life are often the simplest. It's about finding balance, reconnecting with our passion, and valuing the moments that truly nourish our souls. So tell me, what will you do? Will you continue chasing the next big thing? Or will you take a step back and rediscover the beauty in the simple things? At the end of the day, the choice is really yours, but remember, the path to a happier, more fulfilling life may be closer than you think. But be careful, sometimes sacrifices are needed to achieve what you really have to achieve. I never considered anything as granted. I think it's really the opposite. This doesn't mean that your sacrifice has to be a never-ending story. I believe that from time to time it's key to step back, to pause, and to reflect on what really matters. So thank you for joining me in this journey. May your own path be fulfilled with the peace and the joy that comes from embracing simple things.